everyone, let's check an upcoming models by Matchbox. Our first set is from Retro Series, a 1975 Cadillac Eldorado convertible in a sparkling blue with white interior and hub wheels. A Corvette T-top in a red paint job with a 10-spoke chrome wheels and white interior. A MBX Turf Hauler, a new casting by Matchbox, a red body with a grey backloader and large wheels. A 1990 Volkswagen Golf Country in an amazing red paint job with a grey bumpers and 5-spoke black rims. A Subaru SVX in a sparkling green paint job with a black rooftop and 5-spoke gold wheels. A 1969 Chevrolet Camaro in an orange paint job with flames on sides, black interior and 3-spoke chrome wheels. A new upcoming 5-pack set as a MBX electric drivers. Cars in this set are a 2021 Ford Mustang Mach-E, a 2020 Honda He, a Tesla Model S, a 2009 International E-Star, and a Tesla Model Y. Matchbox is releasing a new 70 years special edition Bugatti Divo. This is the 4th car from the set. And upcoming new models, so here's the lineup, cars from various lines. So check out the sneak peek of the cars. Let's see a 2023 new 9-pack sets. The exclusive car for this set is a 70 years MBX field car. The exclusive car for second set is a Jeep Grand Cherokee. An exclusive car for this third set is a Honda E. If you guys like this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon to all notifications and stay tuned for further updates. By the way, I am your host Yash, signing out. See you in next video.